Hello, and once again, you're welcome to another video of this course. This is module 10, and we're going to be looking at light pollution. Under that, we're going to be looking at the what light pollution is. We're going to be looking at the types of light pollution. We're going to be looking at the causes of light pollution, the effects of light pollution, and control and prevention of light pollution. So let's get into the introduction. In the past, the night sky was dark, allowing for clear views of stars and the moon. With increasing urbanization and technology, artificial lighting has become widespread, leading to environmental challenges. For example, bright street lights, billboards and neon signs, floodlights in stadiums, house lights left on overnight. What is pollution? Light pollution, also known as artificial sky glow, is the excessive or inappropriate artificial light that disrupts the natural dark of the night sky, affecting human health, wildlife, and astronomical observations. It is caused by human activities such as poorly designed or excessive outdoor lighting that can scatter light upwards and sideways, reducing visibility of stars and other celestial objects. Now, what are the different types of light pollution? Light pollution is often categorized into four main types: glare, sky glow, clutter, and light trespass. So let's look at light trespass. Light trespass occurs when unwanted light enters one property. For instance, by shining over a neighbor's fence. A common light trespass problem occurs when strong light enters the window of one's home from the outside, causing problems such as sleep deprivation. Another is the glare. Glare can be categorized into different types. Blinding glare, which describes effects such as that. Blinding glare describes effects such as that caused by staring into the sun. It is completely blinding and leaves temporary or permanent vision deficiencies. Disability glare describes effects such as being blinded by oncoming car lights or light scattering in the fog or eye, reducing contrast as well as reflections from print and other dark areas that render them bright. Discomfort glare does not typically cause a dangerous situation in itself. It is annoying and irritating at best. It can potentially cause fatigue if experienced over extended periods. The third type is light clutter, and light clutter refers to excessive groupings of light. Groupings of light may generate confusion, distract from obstacles, including those that they may be intended to illuminate, and potentially cause accidents. Clutter is particularly noticeable on roads where the street lights are badly designed or where brightly lit advertisements surround the roadways. Finally, we have sky glow, and sky glow is the bright haze above cities that is produced from excessive artificial lighting at night. This type of light pollution is created from artificial light reflecting in the sky and bouncing around the different types of particles that reside in the atmosphere. The effect of sky glow can be harmful in astronomy and on the Earth, on the health of many organisms. It worsens the visibility of the stars, the Milky Way, and significantly increases the natural light levels at night. What are some of the causes of light pollution? Light pollution is primarily caused by the excessive and inappropriate use of artificial lighting, particularly those that emit light upwards or sideways. Let's look at them one by one. Poor lighting design. Lights that are not shielded properly allow light to escape upwards and sideways, scattering into the atmosphere and brightening the night sky. Number two is over-illumination. Using excessive amounts of light for outdoor spaces, such as parking lots and commercial areas, can contribute to light pollution. We have unnecessary lighting. Keeping lights on in areas that are not in use is a wasteful practice that contributes to light pollution. We have high intensity lighting. Strong light, especially those used in sports stadiums or commercial venues, can cause glare and disrupt the natural night sky. We have air pollution particles. While not a light source themselves, air pollution particles increases the scattering of light, making the problem worse. What are some of the effects of light pollution? Number one, we have impact on public health. Medical research on the effect of excessive light on the human body suggests that a variety of adverse health effects may be caused by light pollution or excessive light exposure. And some lighting design textbooks use human health as an explicit criterion for proper interior lighting, right? Animal models have been studied demonstrating unavoidable light to produce adverse effects on mood and anxiety. And for those people who need to be awake at night, light at night has an acute effect on alertness and mood. Number two, ecological impact. While light can be beneficial, neutral, or damaging for individual species, its presence invariably disturbs ecosystems. For example, some species of spiders avoid lit areas, while other species are happy to build their webs directly on lampposts. Since lampposts attract many flying insects, the spiders that tolerate the light can gain advantage over the spiders that avoid it. And this is an example of the way in which species frequencies and food webs can be disturbed by the introduction of light at night. Another effect is on the astronomy. Light pollution affects the visibility of diffuse sky objects like nebulae and galaxies more than stars due to low brightness. Another increase is in atmospheric pollution, reduction of natural sky polarization, because at night, the polarization of the moonlit sky is very strongly reduced in the presence of urban light pollution because scattered urban light is not strongly polarized. Polarized moonlight cannot be seen by humans, but is believed to be used by many animals for navigation. Knowing all of this, how can we control and prevent light pollution? Reducing light pollution implies many things, such as reducing sky glow, reducing glare, reducing light trespass, and reducing clutter. The method for best reducing light pollution, therefore, depends on exactly what the problem is in any given circumstance. So these are some possible solutions. Number one, utilizing light sources of minimum intensity, turning lights off using a timer or occupancy sensor or manually when not needed, improving lighting fixtures so that they direct their light more accurately towards where it is needed, adjusting the type of light used so that the light waves emitted are those that are likely to cause severe light pollution problems, evaluating existing and lighting plans and redesigning some or all the plans depending on whether existing light is actually needed. Improving lighting fixtures. The use of full cut-off lighting fixtures as much as possible is advocated by most campaigners for the reduction of light pollution. Adjusting types of light sources. Several different types of light sources exist, each having a variety of properties that determine their appropriateness for tasks. Poorly chosen, poorly chosen light sources often contribute unnecessarily to light pollution and energy waste. By updating light sources appropriately, it is often possible to reduce energy use and pollutive effects while simultaneously improving efficiency and visibility. Redesigning lighting plans. Light pollution can be reduced by turning off unneeded outdoor lights and lighting stadiums only when there are people inside. Also have community involvement. Community awareness is also necessary in order to progress towards reducing light pollution. As more people are aware of the effects of artificial lighting, there could be effective legislative influence on mitigating it. And then finally, dark infrastructure. Dark infrastructure is the creation and preservation of networks of natural levels of darkness in an attempt to mitigate and reduce the adverse effects of artificial light on biodiversity. We have come to the end of this lecture. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye for now.